Hey everyone, welcome back. Um, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to filter spam in your Hotmail account. Yeah, so you can keep your inbox clean and organized. Let's dive in. First, sign into your Hotmail account using your email and password. If you're already signed in, just skip ahead. Next, click the gear icon at the top right to open settings. From there, select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. Now go to the Mail section, then select Junk Email. This is where you can manage blocked and safe senders. So, yeah, you can control what hits your inbox and what goes straight to spam. To filter spam, add any trusted contacts to your safe senders list and add suspicious addresses to your blocked senders list. This helps Hotmail automatically sort emails for you. Finally, make sure you hit save. Then you can test by sending a test email from a blocked or safe sender to see if it's working. Yeah, this really keeps your inbox much cleaner. And that's it. Now you know how to filter spam in Hotmail, keeping your inbox neat without constantly checking junk. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides.